If your PSP still runs boring old software, you're missing out. Unlocking custom firmware means more games, more fun. Here's how to level up step by step. First things first, grab your PSP, a memory stick, USB cable, and a computer with internet. Make sure your PSP's firmware is 6.61. If not, update it by downloading the official file, dropping it in PSP. Game update on your memory card and running the update from your PSP's game menu. Next, download Arc 4 custom firmware. This is what lets you run homebrew and emulators. Extract the files, then copy arc_loader to PSP game and arc_01234 to PSP save data. Launch Arc Loader from the game menu to temporarily jailbreak. Want it permanent? Copy arc_cipl to PSP game and run it from your PSP. Now every reboot keeps your custom firmware alive. Bonus tip, make folders called ISO for game backups and game for homebrew. Copy your games and apps, boom, you're set. Enjoy your supercharged PSP. Just don't forget to save your